So far we've reviewed the area and perimeter of a rectangle. So at this point you should be able to apply a formula to the quadrilateral that's given and calculate area and perimeter. So if we have the area is our length times width. Length here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times width is 4. So we know the area is 24 centimeters squared, because again it's 6 centimeters times centimeters. And we could count the squares inside to confirm that there is 24 squares inside this area. The perimeter, again starting with a formula, we said is 2 times the length plus the width. Okay? If you use the formula 2 times length plus 2 times width, that's fine as well. Either formula works. Plug in the numbers that we know. 2 times our length of 6 plus our width of 4. Again, knowing your BEDMAS, we have to do our brackets first. 2 times 10, which gives the perimeter 20 centimeters. And again, we could count around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if I counted all the squares around the other side, I would have my perimeter of 20 centimeters around my outside. Now, what if we cut it into a rectangle? Sorry, if we cut the rectangle into a triangle. So if we take this line and we cut our rectangle, we can see that there's 2 triangles in a rectangle. So what can we say about the area of these 2 triangles? So if I count them up, and let's try, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, 8 full squares. If I take this as 9, I would say there's another little piece here that would match to be my 9. So let's see if I can color that in. And then my 10th square, let's say it's this one here with the other half of this piece. There's 10, 11 would match with this piece, and 12. So by counting, we can, by counting the squares in the small triangle, we can count that there's 12 centimeters squared is the area of the triangle. Well, how do we now compare that to the original rectangle? So if here is our original, if here is our original area, and we're comparing it, that's supposed to be an exponent too, comparing it to the triangle's area, what can we say about these 2 numbers, 12 and 24? Well, the triangle is half the size of a rectangle. How can I now apply that to my formula? So the area of a triangle is equal to half the length and width. Now when it becomes triangles, we change it from length to width to base and height. So we have our base times our height divided by 2. So our base here is our 6 times our height of 4, all divided by 2. So, which gives us 24 divided by 2 is 12 centimeters squared. So we have proven the area of a triangle through formula and through manipulatives, through counting, drawing it out and counting the actual area inside of